It is Wednesday, my pyros, and that means another episode of Warehouse Wednesday right here in the Fireworks Plus warehouse. As you can see, we've got all kinds of great products still in stock, even after the 4th, with more shipments coming in just about every week. Today's featured product is a brand we haven't covered yet, Dominator Pro Level Fireworks. Howling Peony is a 500-gram fan-shaped cake with 25 shots of Howling Peony, so let's take one outside and see what it does. And if that cake had you howling, be sure to subscribe for more.